Hi, Saket.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Tired.
Okay. So,
All of the
yeah,
above.
I'm good. Thanks for asking. Hey, just curious. Are you also going through the lessons on academy.uipath.com?
No, I haven't.
Hmm. I
I
strongly
mean, I
recommend
should
following that track.
probably do that.
Yeah, because that is added material for you. Whatever we go over in the class, and then what they are teaching there, right? That will be more enriching in terms of questions that you may want to ask later on, and even trying some examples on your own. Okay.
Okay.
So having said that, last week um, we stopped at creating the bot for going through the Acme test UiPath.com, right?
Yeah.
So did you do anything? Did you actually develop the bot that will go through the steps and generate the data?
Um. So what happened was like something happened again, and it deleted my bot.
Your boss?
It deleted the. It deleted the bot.
Oh,
Like it deleted everything I did.
how did that happen? You lost the code?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember you mentioned that. That was the previous week, but then I think I mentioned that you can do it again because, having done it once, you can do it again much easier, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Problem was, I checked this 5 days later. I was like, I closed it and then I opened it again. I did save. I remember saving, and it's just all gone.
So do you have
And it
any code that you have done to demonstrate to me today?
no.
Come on, Saket. We've been doing this for several weeks now. I was hoping that,
No.
more than a month now, right?
Yeah.
You have absolutely no code written so far?
Yeah, it deleted all of it.
Um, Hi, Aditya. I can't hear you, Aditya. You're not muted, but I can't hear you.
Hello? Can't hear him either.
Yeah, I can't hear him.
No, I can hear something. It's crackling. Yeah, now I can hear.
No, I'm saying I can't hear Aditya speaking.
Hello? Yeah, I
Oh,
can hear
yeah.
him.
Okay, now I can hear. So, Aditya, we were talking about any code that was written so far. So, did you develop the bot that will go log into the Acme? Oh, oh, maybe we lost him.
What happened to Aditya?
So, I mean, maybe Saket, you can share your screen and show me what you got so far. I mean, I can't believe you don't have anything at all to
Yeah, I'll
show.
show you this because it's
Okay.
real. I actually just don't have anything. Yeah, this is it.
No, where do you drop where do you develop the code?
Here.
No, that's not what I'm saying. The previously, where is the code residing on your hard drive?
It's just here.
Okay. Open up project 3.
Yeah, that's what I did, and it just
That's
did
what, okay.
this.
Then in that case, go back to the start, yeah, home, and open up project 1.
Not gonna do anything
Hello,
either.
can you hear me?
Something. This is like something that I just. This was like the first thing we did in like.
Yeah, right. For logical expressions.
Yeah.
Okay. The RPA challenge. Let's go to the RPA challenge and see what you got there.
Yeah, this is the full like RPA bot thing that we did with the
Oh, okay.
open.
Why did you dismiss this?
Yeah,
Um,
this opened. Just that one thing didn't open, just didn't save somehow.
so this is actually going through the file and going through the entire, it is entering all the data in all these forms, right?
Yeah.
RPAchallenge.com. Let's run this and see if it is working correctly. First of all, you might want to dismiss that survey button
Yeah.
before you automate. Let me show you around. Yeah, just dismiss it. Yeah. Hi, Vishwanath.
Hi.
Or rather, should I call you stranger? You've been
Yeah,
gone
it's
for a
good,
while.
man.
Oh yeah, I missed last meeting. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, but I had a robotics competition.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that more like the hardware robotics?
Yeah, it's hardware and software.
Okay.
It's yeah.
I mean, software for a hardware-based robot, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
What we are doing in RPA is software for a computer as a robot.
Yeah.
Whereas I think what you're doing, in industrial robotics is you have a hardware-based robot, and then you write software to make it do stuff, the physical stuff.
Yeah.
Um, so, so maybe you can give us an example of, an industrial robot and what it is doing.
Oh, like we build robots for like a competition. So it's sort of like competitive robots, and yeah, and so we build the robot and then we write code in Java, and then we load the code onto the robot, and then yeah, we run that robot, and then we can control the robot using that code.
I'm sorry, I can't. You're not. Can you come again, Vishwanath?
Oh yeah. So basically, we write code in Java,
Mm-hmm.
and then yeah, and then we load that code onto like a hardware robot that we build, and
Mm-hmm.
then we use that code to like control it. So the robot can move by itself, but if we want, we can also like make the robot move using controllers.
So what does
FTC.
the robot actually do? What can it do? What are the capabilities?
So I compete in a thing called First Tech Challenge, and it's kind of like they release a game, and it's like 2v2 robotics. So two teams versus two teams. They each build robots, and then
Mhm.
they compete with each other to
Okay.
see who can win. Yeah, and there's a goal in
Okay.
the game and all.
So just to announce my next course, it's going to be on prompt engineering for ChatGPT. And my question is, Vishwanath, have you considered using ChatGPT for the industrial robotics that you are talking about?
Hmm. Not
So,
really for industrial robotics, but I have used it in like other applications.
let me give you an example. Um, you build a robot, okay, and that has, let's say, two arms and two legs,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and it is like maybe a 1 foot tall structure, okay,
Okay.
and it has cameras for the eyes, it has a microphone for a ear, and it
Mm-hmm.
has a speaker for a mouth,
Yeah.
okay. Now you you speak to your robot in plain English, saying that go there and get that, let's say you have a ball, you threw a ball and say, go and fetch the ball.
Mm-hmm.
So when you say go and fetch the ball, you said to it, right? You didn't push a button or anything like that. You just told it go and fetch the ball.
Yeah.
That's an English prompt. And imagine your robot is able to take that instruction and convert it into code, maybe Java code. And that Java code immediately gets compiled and it moves the legs towards the ball. It makes the eyes or the camera see where the ball is, and it moves the legs towards the ball. And then when it reaches, the hands reach out to pick the ball and come back and give it to you.
Yeah.
And then you say, and then you say, place this ball on the table on the left. So then and there, imagine the robot listens to your instruction and compiles it and generates a new program this time, and it runs that program to turn left and get the ball and give it, or rather place the ball there.
Yeah.
Okay, so imagine this and see if you can build something on those lines. Do you think you will be able to build something on those lines?
Build something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like that would be kind of difficult, especially like since our robots they move on wheels. So I've never done like wheel robots with arms and hands, but I think yeah, it is possible.
It's possible. Yeah, that's it. That's what I want to hear. I hope this will be something that will. Sorry,
I'm actually also on an FTC team.
you're also what?
On an FTC team.
Oh, the same team?
Not the same team, but like in this same I'm doing the same competition.
Oh, okay, okay. The same competition. Okay.
Oh,
So
that's cool.
yeah, so
What team are you on?
imagine you guys build a bot that will listen to instructions and develop the code then and there, compile it and run the code. And basically running the code means that the robot is doing what it heard. Okay. So with that, I just want to come back to our course, but keep thinking about this in the back of your mind and see if you can build something on those lines. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So far, Aditya, let me ask you this question. Did you develop anything for logging into the Acme UiPath, Acme-test UiPath.com and getting that data for the first use case and all that stuff? Did you do anything on those lines? I think you came at least near completion last week, right?
Yeah, no, I didn't get a chance to over the week. And a lot of other stuff.
But where did you leave that so far?
Oh, I think wait, let me open the file.
Maybe, yeah. Why don't you share your screen and show me where you are with that? And that will also help Saket and Viswanath to understand what we were doing so far. So you logged into system 1 and then you're extracting work items. That's it. What comes after that? You already have it, just pull it. Yeah. What are you trying to do?
Have it log into the system 3.
And did you create the credential in your orchestrator?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, click on the asset name dropdown. You will probably be able to see it. Yeah. Acme credential. Well, this is for, is it the same thing for the desktop?
Yeah, it is the same.
Yeah. I remember they said it's the same. Yeah. Okay. So once you get it, you have to capture the, well, you said get credential, but where is the username and password being stored?
Should make a variable, right?
No, see the variables you created in the system 1 is separate. System 3 doesn't know, can't know what those variables are. Yeah. Saket and Viswanath, are you watching this?
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah.
able to follow what's happening?
Yeah, I'm looking. Why didn't it just open an Acme like is he on like an app or something?
Oh, I
What's
don't think they downloaded that.
There's an app for Acme?
Yeah, they have a exe executable that you can download and then start using it. That is
Oh,
system 3. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
So do you want us to do this in system 3, like with the exe, or do you want us
Yeah.
to do this?
Yeah. So basically,
Okay.
whatever the exercise says about system 1 and system 3, and whatever you have to do between these two systems, that is what we have to do now.
Right.
At least some aspects of it, because there is a little more than that you will have to learn to be able to complete that exercise. And I want to be able to, and I want to go over that today, right after your done with at least the logging into the various systems are concerned.
Okay.
Yeah. No, you are looking for the requirements,
Yeah.
user options.
Yeah.
Yeah, click on user. Yeah, go to user options and download client and support. Yeah, now the work item 1, 2, 3, 4 in the
Oh,
process
yeah.
description. Yeah, that's the one. So we have to complete what it says in this document. Yeah, so 2.3, now we have to go to the actual steps, which is laid out, I think, in the next section. Yeah, so all these, your bot should do all this 1.1, 1.2, it should do all that stuff. Those are like your requirements. So now you are able to do the okay, you were right. You are developing the workflow for logging into system 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's complete that part. Wait, what are you trying to do, Aditya?
There's something for wait until something pops up on the screen, right?
Oh, check app state.
Oh, we have to find that.
Okay. Now you are going to look for wrong username in check app state. Uncheck fuzzy selectors for target as well as anchor. You don't need computer vision. Those are unnecessary stuff. You may want to use image. Now, now go to the target. No, the target section here on the no, the target section. Just go up, that scroll bar. Yeah, yeah. Okay, open up target. Oh, this is the target? Okay, they are already looking at the target. Okay, come down, remove computer vision. Okay, now, yeah, okay, validate. Okay, there we go. You should terminate. No, not killing, not killing. You should terminate. Look for terminate process. Yeah, terminate workflow. Yeah. And there you should say within double quotes. Login failed in system into system 3. Or you can say system 3 login failed. Yeah. Yeah. Let the bot do it.
Okay.
Yeah, run just system 3 login. And before you launch the application, right? Kill the application. The same application path you have on the next activity, copy that. Yeah. And put it under process name.
That?
Yeah. Yeah. Now run this.
Oh, okay. All right, great.
No, 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 no. For each row, no, that's not how you look at the red exclamation. Hover your mouse over that. The exclamation, yeah. So what is it saying?
It's not declared.
It's not declared. Okay. The other one, the other one. Hover your mouse over the other one. What is he saying here? Use Excel file scope. You have to use Excel file scope first.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not use Excel file. You have to look. It's asking you to use Excel file scope. So you have to look for in the activities, under activities. Yeah. Excel file scope. Use Excel file. Yeah, use Excel file. Yeah. Put it above that and then name the file there and then put it exactly. And that has to go within double quotes. Now what is the problem? Go back to the red exclamation. Range was not supplied. So the range is Excel, type Excel dot no, let's see sheet. No, I think it is. Open the file. What is the name of the sheet? Let me pull up a similar bot that I did.
Oh wait. The name wasn't that. It was.
There is another scope that you have to bring in here, Aditya. You can actually do the same thing in a different way as well. So click on the filter icon. And no, not okay. Come down. Objects, others. No, the under activities. Go to the and now pull up the filter and say classic. Yep. Okay. Now type Excel. Excel scope. The last one. Yeah. Bring that. Put it on top of this, and you can remove the rest of it. Yeah. You can just remove the whole thing. Just delete. Okay, now give the name of the file. For that, you can even click on the folder icon and point to the file. It'll pull it up. Yeah. Okay. Now, what are you going to do? You want to read the contents, right? Hey, Saket,
Yeah,
are you doing this on your machine right now? Whatever
I didn't know
Aditya
which
spoke?
like I
No,
didn't
while
know
you're
which thing it was, like which project title it was.
yeah. So um So Aditya, briefly, can you pause for a moment and show Saket and Viswanath how to pull this? Where to go and pull this?
Which one is it?
Go to
Yeah, I
user
know user
options.
options, like download client and support, but like, which
Yeah,
one was
and
it?
then
Work
and
item,
then
so on.
yeah, work item 1, and you will find that that PDF document, right?
Yeah.
In that section, which is 2.3,
Page 9.
and then in
2.3?
2.3, where he's saying 1.1,
Page 9.
1.2, 1.3, your bot should do all that stuff.
Okay.
So why don't you get started with developing a bot for this for 1.2, through 1.7?
Okay.
Okay, get started.
Okay. So
And
1.1
Viswanath,
to
you too.
1.7.
Yeah. So
Um,
Viswanath, you too, Viswanath.
yeah,
Go to
right
this
now I'm
acme
working
test.
on the system one first
Oh,
part
okay.
of the
Okay, you're
yeah.
working on system 1. Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Good.
Where's the detail page for each work item?
What's the question, Aditya?
How do I find the details page for each work item?
Yeah.
Oh, is this it? Okay.
Yeah. I click on that.
So when
So
it
I
says
think-
to open Acme System 1 application, it means the dashboard, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
I mean, when they say open the application, it is basically, opening your browser and going to the website URL. Okay. And then they say login. And that's when you have to write the workflow to get the username and password and put in the username and, and click on the login button.
Yeah. So is it supposed to be the login or the dashboard?
First you have to go to the dashboard and then you log in first you have to go to the website, and then when you log in, it takes you to the dashboard.
Oh, okay. Because
Yeah.
it automatically logged me in, so I was wondering. So I log out and then
Well,
start out with the
no,
login
see,
page.
because you're asking your bot to do this, you cannot, you have to use the browser in incognito mode, so
Oh,
that use the browser in incognito mode so that it doesn't log you in automatically the next time you go there.
okay. I
Yeah.
didn't realize that. Sorry. Okay, that's
So,
better.
incognito mode will not remember that in the previous instance you actually logged into the website and all that stuff. It will not remember anything. So it will always start afresh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait, I have a question.
Mhm.
So when you open the website, all you had to use is use browser application, right?
Mhm.
And it automatically does it.
What's the question?
So like, if you use browser application, and then you put
One
in,
second,
and then
one
you
second,
indicate the
Saket.
target.
So, Saket, 1 second. Hey, Aditya,
Yeah.
when you use the classic application scope, you should use the classic activities related to that scope. You can't mix the modern Excel with the classic Excel.
Okay.
Okay, so which is why you see the red exclamation saying you have to use Excel scope. So I don't want to go into a loop and endless loop here. So what do you want to do at this point of time? After having you define the WID.Excel asset, what is it you want to do?
For each like cell in this row, in this column,
Uh-huh. You
access
have to go. You
URL.
have to have the bot click on that, right?
Yeah, I wanted to go to
Okay.
that website.
So that means you want to read the data first, right? You want to
Yeah.
read the data, and then for each row, you want to do something about the contents in that particular row. So
Yeah.
so now what you want to do is you look for the read range activity. And so just to give you a heads up here, when you see the dark green Excel icon, that is a modern Excel activities. Whereas
Yeah.
if you see read range without the dark green one, that is the classic ones. So you should avoid bringing in the modern ones unless we are ready to start using the whole thing. Either use completely the modern ones or completely the Excel. You can't mix and match.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So now read range will basically you have to mention into what database, or rather what data table. Yeah, leave the range as it is. That's good. Now you have to mention what data table it has to get into.
In this column.
No, for the properties, look on the right side. The data output. When you read range, you want the data to get into a data table variable, right? So always, without you have to mention what data table it is getting into. So for now, you can say Control K and give this a meaningful name.
URL data table.
Well, if you were to follow the naming conventions, right, you should say DT underscore URL. Yeah. Yeah. So now the data is in DT URL, right?
Yeah.
So now that you have it there, then you can say for each row in that data table, and then whatever you say for each row there, it will happen for each row in that data table.
Hey, wait. I have a question.
Okay. Now, Saket, can you share your screen?
Sure.
Yeah.
So how do you make it so it logs into System 1?
Yeah. So when he's saying log in, that means how do you log in? You have to enter the username and the password and hit the login button, and that's how you log in, right? So how do you have the bot do this stuff?
Excel sheets?
Excel sheet?
I'm guessing
Oh.
make an Excel sheet and then do the thing we did at the RPA challenge.
No, you don't use Excel sheets. You have to get the username and the password from orchestrator and store it as a credential, get that from the orchestrator. Then you have to use the type into activities, one for the username and one for the password, and then a click activity for clicking on the login button.
So where's the orchestrator?
The orchestrator is on the website, cloud.uipath.com. Go to the,
Okay.
open your browser. Yeah. See, Saket, I know you're very interested in learning this, but you have to put in your efforts.
Yeah.
We went through what is an orchestrator way back, like early July. And now you're asking me what is an orchestrator. You have to work, you have to, after the class is over, right? You have to start working on these things, during the week. Find at least 1 hour time a day and do this. That's how you will be able to learn everything. Otherwise, every week we will be doing UiPath only on a Sunday, and you will not be able to make progress.
Yeah.
Okay, so make it a practice. Make it a point to, after the class is over, continue whatever you're doing. Finish it off. At
Okay.
least spend 1 hour every day.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, you just exit that. Yeah, just exit that.
Um, manage access, I'm guessing.
No, no,
Oh,
he's just no. Don't go through that rabbit hole, Saket.
then how do I get rid of this
It is
thing?
basically some upcoming changes. You don't have to worry about all that stuff right now. Just
Can't
click
get rid of
outside
it.
of that. Click outside of that.
It's there. It's
Oh
just
my God, you're not able to get out of that?
yeah. I'm gonna click read more and then delete it. Is that does
Oh.
bruh? Hold on, maybe there's like something down here. Play some of that, got rid of it. Let me click manage access. What does this do?
No, come back.
No.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, that is better. Close the other tab. Yeah. Now go back to your very where. No. My workspace, and click on assets and click on add asset.
Add asset. Where do I do that?
Add asset is right there, buddy.
Oh.
Yeah, create a new asset. And say Acme credential.
Credentials.
No, one word.
Okay.
No spaces. And the type is, click on the drop down and select credential. So whenever you say you're creating a credential asset, it has minimum of 2 values, username and password.
Okay.
Okay. Now for username, type in your email address. Yeah, that email address. Now password, double check that it is correct.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Then click on create.
Okay. We don't have to do a description or anything, right?
No, it's not mandatory.
Tags.
No, it's not mandatory. It's a way to easily find the the assets later on, but
So I
we are
can
creating one
take
asset.
this from the orchestrator from here.
Yeah, how do you do that? Get credential asset. Pull up the activity, get credential asset.
Get credential asset.
Yeah, that one. Drop it there.
Um,
Do it
it
again.
did not take. There we go.
Yeah. Folder path is blank. You can, yeah, that's fine. You're already there. Okay, asset name. Click on the drop down. Yeah, right. And where is the username and password going to get stored? In the
My
output.
email, my workspace.
Yeah, no. See, when you say get credential asset, it is going to get the username and the password. And my question is, where are you going to store them? What variables are you going to store them in? So for that, you have to go to the properties of get credential asset.
This one? Wait, no, that's not
Properties. Yeah, click on the get credential activity. Yeah, and then click on properties. Yeah, you're there, right? On the right side.
Oh, properties.
Yeah, properties.
I'm sorry, I really can't see very well. Auto hide. I don't want to see the error list.
Yeah.
Auto hide this. I don't want to see this. There
Okay.
we go.
Username and password. Now, right, Control K. No. You want the properties. You don't
Yeah,
want to
I
hide
know.
that.
Okay.
Yeah. For username, click Control K.
Control K.
Username. You're creating a variable called username, and you're having the get credential store the username in that variable. Hit return.
Okay. So now we do set var the same
Hit
thing for
enter.
password.
You have to hit enter, otherwise it will not create the password. Okay. Control K, password. Hit enter. Okay. See, Saket, I cannot, at this point of time, I cannot keep teaching you how to use properties, how to create variables. If you have not been practicing all along, this is like I have to go back to the beginning of the whole course now. Do you remember that we went through how to create variables with a Control K? And what is the meaning of a variable, how to the importance of creating the variable. And now I'm finding myself teaching you the whole thing all over again.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind and practice after the class. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So having now when you say get credential activity and you mentioned the username and into username and password into password, next what you have to do is type into. Drag and drop the type into activity.
Type into.
Right.
Which one? The classic or?
The classic.
Okay, hold
Not
on.
CV, not CV, not computer vision.
What did I do? Oh my god, what did I just do?
You went to snippets.
This is.
Oh,
How do I get out of snippets? What the heck is this?
You have to pin them again. Pin. Yeah, you remove the pin. Yeah. Okay. Now type into. You have the type into in the end, toward the end, right? Or
Yeah.
even the recent. Yeah, that one. Drag and drop it after get credential asset. So do you understand what's happening? First, you launch the browser to the URL for the UiPath Acme test.com, right? And then you are getting the credential asset. By getting the credential asset, you are getting the username and the password. And now you are using the type into activities for typing the username into the username box and password into the password box.
Okay.
Okay. Now, where do you want the password to be, username to be first, typed into? Indicate in Chrome. Indicate it. Yeah, click on indicate in Chrome. Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Yeah. Validate. So you may have to use, a target.
Well, let me get the anchor.
Select the anchor for email.
Okay, I'm selecting the anchor being. I think I had to delete this.
Yeah.
Making the anchor this.
Yeah. Correct.
The image targeting is to a different screen. Sure, it's please rectify
Image targeting. Yeah, the image method we have to. So hold on. Image is not a bad choice. Image is okay. Go to strict selector and remove the fuzzy selector. See, Now things are much better.
No.
Okay. Now let's go
Oh,
to
disable the targets image.
yeah. Whatever you have done just now is for anchor, right? So now do it for target.
Okay, hold on. Let me get to
Target.
Target.
Yeah. Remove fuzzy selector and remove computer vision. Yeah. No, keep image. Now click on validate.
Please rectify or disable targets image.
Something is happening. So let's see what's happening. Image is okay.
Let me try disabling it. Yeah, it's 50%.
No, that's not good. You should get 100%.
Let's try fuzzy selector and then turn off strict. No, that didn't do anything.
And select image. Yeah, no validate. Image is something wrong here.
Okay, let's try fixing image.
Now go to anchor. At least you know the label should be able to say that the inner text is email.
What if we turn on everything?
Okay. No, you don't need computer vision. Yeah, okay, fuzzy selector now. If you are using fuzzy selector, then let's remove computer vision and see.
They got a 75%. That's better than last time.
Well, see, 75% is not good. That means it is still in a. It's still no, remove computer vision.
Okay.
Yeah, now validate. Yeah.
Okay, so both fuzzy selector and strict selector. Let's go to the anchor. Fuzzy and strict, and then turn off computer vision.
Let's do something. Remove the
Computer
target
vision should stay
and do
on.
it again. Remove the target and do it again. This should not take such a long time.
Okay, let's re-add the target.
Click on the trash icon for the target. Yeah. Trash icon. Yeah. Okay, now try again. Okay. Now click on the email label. No, wait. Then next it is looking for the target. Click on the email label for the target. There's an email label behind that word target, right? Click on that. Yep. Click on that.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, now validate.
Okay.
Yeah, see? Yes. Okay. Now, what are you going to type into email box?
My username.
Right. So select username. No. You remember in the previous step, you got the username into the variable called username.
Oh, yeah.
So type username is that variable. That's the purpose of getting the, the credential from the asset, from the orchestrator.
Okay.
Okay, now bring another type into activity after this.
Do the same thing, but for password.
Correct. Password. Yep. Validate. Yep.
Okay, 100%.
Yep. Click confirm. Now what are you going to type? No. The password.
Is it giving me stars?
Right. So select secure. Select secure. Yeah. Now say password. Yeah. Double click. Yeah. That's it. You entered the username, you entered the password. Next, what do you have to do? You have to click on the login button
Okay, so we go here.
and
click
pull in the click activity. Yeah.
On click.
Yep. Double click. Yep. Yep.
What do I anchor? Same thing.
Just select the remember me label above that. Yep. Yeah.
Okay, confirm.
Yeah. So the bot will get the username and type in the username. It will type in the password and then it will click on the login button. Then what happens is it should take you to the dashboard, right? But
Yeah.
what if the password is expired or if the username is wrong? Something went wrong.
So we
And
write
the
if
login
statement
failed.
and say forget your password.
Well, no. What should the bot do? The bot should say login failed. That's it.
Oh yeah.
Right? So for that, what you have to do is you have to check if something exists when you enter the wrong password. So for that, go back to the browser.
Which one? This one?
Yep. And put in something for the username. It doesn't have to be accurate. We are going to create a
Again, then
situation as
we'll
if
put
as if something went wrong.
just a bunch of
Yeah. Now click login. Okay. So these credentials do not match our records. So your UiPath bot has to look for this element called these credentials do not match our records.
Yeah.
So let's go back to UiPath and bring in a check app activity, check app state.
Check
App state. Yeah.
Well, that's way bigger than the rest of this.
That's okay. What is it you wanted to check? Click indicate in Chrome. Click on the indicate in Chrome.
Indicating Chrome.
That right. Yeah.
Then the anchor.
Just looking for an anchor. Yeah, select anything you want. Maybe password. Yeah.
Yeah, that's just a password.
Yeah.
Get validated.
So if the target appears, what is the target here?
It should stop the code from running.
No. It says target appears, target doesn't appear, right?
Yeah.
So when will it come to target appears and when will it not come to target does not appear?
If the target appears, that's because the password is wrong. And if the target does not appear, it's because it works.
Exactly. So if it appears, that means if something is wrong. Right?
Yeah.
And you want to terminate the whole thing. Right? So look for the activity called terminate.
Didn't realize there was an activity called that.
Terminate.
Terminate workflow.
Drag and drop it there. And say system1 login failed.
System.
Within quotes, Saket.
Okay. Quotes. System. Login.
No, this is system1. because we're going to see more systems, system 2, system 3, all those things will come, one by one. So we want to see system 1 login failed. Okay, so this is basically how you log in. Now run this. Close your
yeah.
browser, close the Chrome browser.
Which one? This one or the incognito?
Are you using the same? Oh man. Okay, stop. You can't kill the browser. Do you have Edge on your machine?
Yeah.
Okay, let's use Edge in that case. So you should never use the same browser that you want to use for use normally for the meetings, for the automation as well. Because you want to kill the browser before you start. And if you run the bot and it kills the browser, then the meeting will end.
Yeah.
So you want that to be on a separate browser instance. So just type in Acme. I don't know what you're deleting, but go to the in private mode.
There's an incognito mode on this.
Yep.
In private.
It's called in private mode. Yeah. Now type the same URL from Chrome. From Chrome. Yeah.
And then we had to change the target.
Right. Yes,
we have to change like all the targets.
Correct. Open UiPath and.
Or actually, we can use the same target. I have an idea. What if I open the Microsoft Teams meeting on Edge?
Okay. So you want to join again?
Let me first get onto the meeting, then join, and then I'll delete the other thing.
Okay.
Sorry.
I mean, you may be on,
Let me go
but
to
just before you
browser.
click the join button, you want to cancel, exit out of the other.
Yeah. Okay.
So Aditya, where are you, Aditya?
I am trying to get it to open the browser.
Okay.
So
you're making progress, or do you have any questions?
I can share my screen.
Okay. So basically, Saket, why don't you exit?
Okay. I'll exit the meeting.
From the Chrome, yeah, and then join from your Edge browser. Yeah, so Aditya, share your screen. Can you show me what yours?
So I did all that, and I'm doing for each row and table.
Okay, it's not open. It's not open browser. You should navigate. Yeah. Hold on. That's different. That's navigate is different. It's for predetermined activities. Type go to URL. Bring in that go to URL. It's already there. Go to URL. Yeah. Yeah. Current row b2.string. Yeah. What is it saying? Use application browser activity. So aren't you inside the? Okay.
I should do incognito mode, right?
I mean, in a way, you're not in the. So why are you doing this in system 3 login, Aditya?
Well, it kind of will just.
See, once you log in,
Yeah.
you called it system3 login, right?
Yeah.
So once you log in, you are done. You should not add any more, functionality that has nothing to do with login.
Okay. I can control X this entire thing and then paste it into a new one.
Yeah. So what you should do is, in all this read range stuff and everything, just let me do something. Hold on. Get out of this. Click X. Click the X button. Okay. Application, Excel application scope, right? Right click. Right click and surround, extract as workflow. Yeah, let's just call that, or we'll call
Okay,
that
I'm
process.
in.
1 second, Saket. Call this. What are you trying to do? Give it a good name. Right. What happened? Okay, right click and delete it. Okay, try again. Application scope. Extract a workflow. Yeah. Hold on. Why is it not creating the? Yeah, just keep, no, just leave it as it is. Yeah, click create. No. Okay, you know what? Let's do something. Minimize Excel application scope. Okay, now drag and drop a sequence above application scope.
A sequence?
Yeah, from activities. From activities. Yeah, you'll find sequence. Drag and drop it above that. And then drag and drop this application scope inside of that. Okay, now rename sequence. And yeah, call that open work items. Hit enter. Okay, now right click and extract as workflow. Now, which one did you right click? Okay, that's okay. Yeah, okay.
I right click
Okay,
this.
yeah, because okay, just click create. Okay, hold on. Oh, because it has errors, it's not doing it.
Oh.
Yeah, it has errors there. That's why it's refusing to do it. Okay, let's resolve the errors. Or you know what? Right click and comment it. Like right click and comment it.
Comment it?
Yeah, like disable activity. Okay, now No, 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 no. No. Okay. Now go back to comment out. Click on right click and enable. Enable. Okay. Now open that. Open that and comment only. Disable only Excel application scope. Control T. Okay. Now collapse comment out. Collapse comment out. Okay. Now right click on open work items. And now extract it as workflow. Create. You know what? Let's just forget the whole thing. I think even if
wouldn't it be easier to just control
not
the
all, just to the extent it is enough. What is that commented out? It did comment out your actual code.
oh no, it did. Or I think it did. I'm not sure. Wouldn't it be easier to just Control X, cut this, and then paste it into a new one?
Okay. I was hoping, not to, lose it from the clipboard. Work items 1. No, yeah, okay, delete it and then. Seriously? Save it.
How does it not have?
This is weird. Select sequence. No, not workflow. New sequence. One.
Where is that?
No, just save one.
Where is this coming from?
It's invalid workflow, right? That's the reason why it says it's already existing.
Yes. That makes no sense. How do I not have enough?
Save it. Just save it. Save the whole thing.
I Control S.
So just say new sequence. Okay, click create. Oh man, something wrong. Save everything and restart your studio. Yeah. Close it and open it again.
Is it like a computer issue or a app issue?
Sure, this is weird. I haven't seen trying to create a sequence and then giving errors like this. Yeah, just say create.
Hey, wait. I have a little problem. Mine.
Oh, hold on 1 second, second.
Okay.
Maybe try sequence 2 or whatever.
Okay.
Okay. Now, yeah, go to system 3 login. Yeah, it's already open. It's already open.
So there's 2 already. Okay.
Okay, now go to system 3 login. You said you want to cut it and paste
Yeah.
it, right? Yeah, do that. Yeah, right click.
This is already a sequence. Right?
Yeah, right click. Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah, that worked.
Now go to system 3 login. So go to the parent one. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Target appears open, work items, nothing is there, right? Yeah, just delete that. Just delete that activity. Okay, save it, and then go to sequence and rename this as open work items. Okay, then also go to the path, the project explorer and rename it as sequence.xaml. Yeah, right click, rename. Yeah, open work items.
Why?
Click cancel, delete the other one. Yeah.
Where did this come from?
The previous trials, where things failed, and it left all these things. Okay, now what you have to do is why don't you use the application browser even before Excel? Delete it. Yeah, well, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, and yeah. Now you are going to be selecting the existing browser.
Oh, so
Yeah, where you already logged into system 1. Right? So indicate,
yeah.
do you have that open?
No, I don't.
Oh,
So I can just run this then.
yeah. So just run that. Yeah, it'll keep it open. Okay. Is it doing it?
Yeah. Oh, it closed it.
What happened? Let it come through. Let it complete.
It did it. So
Hey, sorry for leaving so early. I was able to get this UiPath. I was able to log into
Wait,
the
is this
Acme
Vishwanath
system.
speaking?
Yeah,
Yeah. What's your what are you saying,
I
Vishwanath?
was saying I was able to get into the log into the Acme system 1.
Okay, very good.
But I'm stuck on trying to figure out how to like actually scrape this data and put it into an Excel file.
Okay, so we'll see that next week, or rather, you missed a class last few weeks, right? and that's where we covered this. So why don't you catch up with, or rather, I do have the videos. I have to. I will post the videos.
Mhm.
Okay, and go through the videos, and during the week, and those videos will show you how to do exactly what you're asking for. Capturing the
Okay.
data from the web page into an Excel file and everything.
And where can I
Okay,
find these videos?
sorry.
And where can I find these videos?
I haven't posted them yet. I will post them and I'll send you the link. Are you
Okay.
on the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are. Okay. I'll post the link on the WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay. And in the meanwhile, you can always work on system 3 login.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you're here. I'll post the videos on this channel.
Okay.
So guys, keep continuing. I'll be right back. Okay. Yes, okay.
Yeah. Yes.
No, I'm back.
Where did the rest of them go? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Where did Aditya and
Where, I don't know. Where are they?
I don't know. So I had a little problem over here.
Vishwanath said he had internet issues. But
Yeah.
I don't know where Aditya went. He left the meeting.
So the problem that I'm having is when I click the run button,
Hmm.
it's running in Google Chrome, not the incognito window.
So there is a property in UiPath where in the use browser application activity saying incognito. Okay, so you have to select that mode, and then it will open up the browser in that mode. I can show it to you. Yeah.
There's
Did you find the
that
property?
exists.
I mean,
That
I
exists.
can see your screen.
Okay, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Share. Okay, so I'll go here.
Yeah. So go to that activity, system login activity. Yeah, click on that activity. Yeah, now go to properties.
I'm over to the right side. Where's the property? Oh, property.
Yeah.
Is this properties? Yeah.
Yep. And come down. I think it is under Unified
Incognito.
Application Target. Open that up. Unified
Wait, what?
Application Target.
Application target?
Yeah, come up. Come up.
Oh.
Yeah, open that. Yep. You see the plus next to it? Click on the plus. No, click on the plus on the left. Yeah. And arguments, file path. No, it's not there.
No,
Under options.
there's incognito right here.
Yeah, right. Yep. So click on that box next to it. Yep. Yeah. Now it will open it in that mode.
Okay.
And for close, you see the options close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say never. Select never. Yeah. Because you don't want after logging in, right? You don't want to close the browser. You want to leave it open.
Yeah, I think I did it.
It did the. Is it?
I have no idea. Hold on.
No. You had to. Yeah, click OK. You had to close the other browser where it's already open.
All browsers are closed.
Okay. Now you have to kill Chrome. Your meeting is on Edge, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have to kill Chrome before you log in.
I'm not on Chrome.
Yeah.
There's nothing here.
No. The kill activity.
Where's the kill activity?
Where are activities? That's where kill activity is also deciding. Yep.
Didn't realize there was a kill.
Yeah. Kill. Yeah. Kill process activity. Yeah. Drag and drop it above first thing.
Okay.
and under process name, open within double quotes, say Chrome. All lowercase. Yeah, that's it. Now
About the
run the code.
process.
No, you don't have to give both. Only one of them is necessary.
Okay.
Okay, now run this. Oh, Aditya's back.
Okay, it's doing it. Click login, then that's it.
Okay, so this is not supposed to be in main. This is supposed to be in login, system1 login. Okay,
Oh,
so what you have to do is, you know,
they'll copy all.
yeah, right click. No. Right click. Yeah, right click. Right click that thing.
Right click what thing?
The title bar. This title bar.
This one?
Yeah, right click. And extract as workflow. Click on extract as workflow. Call it
Your workflow.
system1 login. No, one Y, system1.
System.
You have two Ys.
Oh,
System1 login, one word. There are no spaces in file names. Yeah, create. Right. So the first thing is you're invoking the command to login.
yeah.
Okay, so it will get into system1 login, run everything, and come back to main.
Okay.
Okay, now after you're logging in, what do you have to do next? So go back to that PDF and follow the steps and write the code to do each of those steps.
Okay, well, I have to open it back on this computer.
Why did you download the PDF and put it on your computer instead of having to go through this all the
I
time?
mean, because everything's just on here, and like there's no like real point to open to downloading these.
See, this is your instructions on what your bot should do.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Hold on, where's the 2.3? Okay,
So
1.3 is access.
So you are done till 1.3. Right?
Yeah.
Next is access the work items listing to consult all the available tasks to perform output data, which is a task.
Yeah. So access the work items listing.
Yeah. So on the dashboard, what do you see?
Let me reopen the dashboard.
On your Chrome. Yeah. So if you click on work items, then you will find all the work items.
Yeah.
Go back. I'll show you something. See where he says, if this is your first time logging in, please make sure you go to user options and reset test data.
Yeah.
Is this the first time you're coming here? Click on reset test data. Yeah, click on reset.
I mean,
test
this is not my first time on Edge, so yeah.
Yeah. No, that doesn't matter, but you with your username and password, if this is the first time you're getting there, you want to reset the data, and this is a good idea to reset it before developing every project.
Yeah, fair enough.
All right. So go back to the PDF and access the dashboard. It is the central location where the user can pick up a specific menu item. Fine. Then access the work items listing to consult all the available tasks to perform. Output data is task. So basically, you have to develop a workflow that will click on the work, what is that work items button, and extract the data and put it into a data table.
Okay.
And we did this last week.
Mm-hmm.
Remember?
Yeah.
So do you remember that what we did last week? How we
Not
did that?
really.
Not really. Okay. Now why don't I do this? Why don't I will send the video, both of you, you and Viswanath, both of you go through the video. See, the way this progressing, right? I don't see, good progress.
Yeah.
We are getting stuck wherever we started. Every week we are just staying the same place. I'm moving along with the curriculum, right? But you're still, in the step one. And so that has to change. And we already discussed this. At the end of the class, spend at least 1 or 2 hours each day and spend some time learning UiPath and spend some time going through the exercises that you're supposed to do. Don't just leave it away until the next Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So having said that, let's go to see what Aditya is doing. If you have a printer, why don't you take a printout of that Saket? That
My
PDF
printer doesn't
document.
have much ink.
So this is Aditya's screen. Okay. So Aditya, where are we?
Oh, sorry, I was muted the entire time.
I
Basically,
thought you
what I-
weren't speaking.
So basically, what happened was I ran it, and then I was like trying to run the program, and then what I found was that when it ran through the sequence, it'll use one browser tab for this, and then it'll use a new one for this one.
No, it should be the same browser.
Yeah. So I think it has to do with.
So what happens, Aditya, is whenever you say use application/browser and you give it a URL, right? It will check if there is an instance, already in that URL or not. If it is there, then it will attach itself to that instance. If it is not there, it will open a new window.
Okay.
So keep that in mind. That's very, very important. If it is not already there, it will open a new window. It will not say, hey, where is it? it'll just open a new window.
Yeah.
So the reason I'm saying this is important is when you log in and you're done logging in and you come out of that, the next time you try to use the same browser, you must give the same URL where it left.
Yeah.
For the next use application browser, this identically the same URL you have to give so that it will latch on to the existing browser.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's very important.
So I think this one ends up going to work items, and that might be the problem. All right. Let me try running it again.
The other thing is you have one for extract work items and then another one for open work items.
Yeah.
So I hope in the open work items, you're not extracting the data all over again, right? From the screen.
Um. No, I'm not. Wait, in open work items, I'm not extracting anything.
But you are attaching to the browser.
Yeah.
And so you have to see, at the end of system one, is it on at the end of extract work items? What is the URL?
It's gonna be on work items. So
Right, it's going to be on the work item screen. So make a
and
note of that work item screen.
yeah.
And
But right now,
and that is a URL that you should latch onto in open work items.
okay. Um, when I change this one, it stopped working. So I'm gonna try it again. So log in. It'll go to work items. What? It just made a new tab.
So are you killing the browser before you start the bot as a first thing?
Yeah, it does do that.
Then why do you have multiple instances of the browser, that too in incognito mode?
I don't.
You don't?
Yeah, if you see there's only one window, and in that one window there's only one tab, and there's nothing like in here.
Okay. Because I thought I saw, you logged in and then again it is showing the login screen again. So I was
Yeah,
thinking it's a different instance.
I think I had an idea of what was wrong, but then I forgot. Track work items. Incognito.
This open work items, I think it should be called something else. Probably you can say process work items or get work item details, something like that, because that's exactly what it is doing, right? It's not. Yeah.
Okay. I don't have anything that kills browser at the end, right?
To close the browser?
Yeah, I don't think I have anything that's closing the browser in
You
between.
see, I'll tell you what may be closing the browser if that's what you're looking for. Whenever you open a browser, right? It
Yeah,
has an option to how do you want to close it?
yeah,
By default, at the end of the scope of that open use application browser, it will close it.
yeah,
So if you don't want it to close the browser, close should say never. Especially after you log in, it should not close the browser.
yeah. Okay,
Right.
that.
So
I
now
think
you're all
that's
set.
it.
Okay, now I think this is why I was seeing multiple instances of the. I thought I saw multiple instances, but it's it opened the browser again and showing the login screen again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And if you have the Excel file open at the same time, it will fail.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to close it. Oh, yeah, don't save. Yeah. Yeah, closing that also is a good idea.
okay.
So here it's extracting the data into a data table, right?
Yeah.
And it's also capturing the URL of the for the detail screen.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't do anything while the bot is running. Keep your hands off.
I think that's the end, though.
Isn't it
That's-
supposed to? No, wait. It's
Yeah,
still
but it
working
has
on
to.
it.
It has to
It's still working.
navigate now. It has to
Yeah,
navigate.
it's still working on it. Hold on, because it takes a little while to capture all the data into a data table and put it into an Excel file. So you see that light green arrow button on the bottom on your
Yeah.
taskbar. That means the bot is running.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now it is logging into system 3.
And now it should go back.
Now it should pass through each row, but we don't know whether it will do it or not.
It says login failed.
Login failed system 3.
Yeah. Maybe we should just. Maybe we shouldn't have this like check app state, because what it does is it like closes that app and then opens a new one. So then if we check the app state, it's just the app is gone, right?
No, the check app state is fine.
Wait, so I'll show you what I mean. What happens is when you open that app,
Is it possible that it is opening multiple instances of the application?
yeah,
You have to kill application 3 also in the beginning.
I need to go somewhere.
All right.
Bye.
Yeah, it's 6 o'clock anyway. I mean, we'll close at 6:15, but I'll post the videos, guys. Today's video and the last week's video, and make it a point to next week. Please catch up with wherever we are. That's number one. And second thing is, by the end of this month, our 10 weeks will be over. And I want to make sure that you know, you know,
We go strong.
at least, something like, you're able to do one exercise independently.
Okay.
Okay. So, I'll see you next week, Saket. But in the meanwhile, I'll send you the video on the
Thank you.
WhatsApp channel. Okay.
Thank you. Wait, I don't have
Bye.
WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I don't have WhatsApp.
Sorry.
I do not have WhatsApp.
Oh, you don't have WhatsApp.
Don't you have like a YouTube channel or something? Can't you put it there?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let me send you the link. My YouTube channel.
Okay. Just post it on your YouTube channel and I can get it.
I'll email the link to you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Email it to my dad, he'll forward it to me.
Your dad. I don't think I have your dad's number on WhatsApp or something.
Oh, I don't have a number on WhatsApp.
No, not you. Your dad also doesn't have WhatsApp.
My dad does.
Okay. Can I have that number?
I'll have to ask him. Hold on, let me call him.
Okay. But you have my email address, right?
Oh wait.
Uh,
Yeah, actually, can you just email me?
I don't know if I have your email address or is it your dad's email address.
No, it's mine. I emailed you.
You did? Okay, Saket Pillar Setti, right? PS
Yeah.
dot Saket Pillar. Okay. All right.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah. All right. I'll send you the video link there.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Yep. Yeah. Bye now. Oh, why is it typing junk for your username?
Oh no, I'm just showing you something.
Oh.
What happens is
Okay.
actually,
Oh, you're simulating the wrong invalid username password thing. Okay.
how long does it take? Damn it. Why is it doing that? So what happens is when it logs in, I'm pretty sure that it it closes this app. Yeah, it closes the app and then opens the new.
Okay. Then again, it's the same thing. Close should be never.
Well, no, it's a part of the app. So like it'll open it has the login app, and then once it verifies the login, it closes that and then opens the new like app with all the access to everything.
I don't think I'm following you, Aditya.
So
Let me explain. Let me ask you a question. What is the problem?
it's it when it thinks that there's a wrong username thing.
It thinks there's a wrong username. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. In that case, let's do something. Click on the three bars, the hamburger, and click on edit target. Oh, well, okay. You know what? Click on check app sheet again and go to the properties. Okay. Now let's open up target. No. The plus next to it. Yeah. Okay. Now go to strict select. Go to the selector and look at the selector. Open up the selectors. Where it says strict selector. Yeah. Open that up. No. Open an advanced editor. Yeah. Label 4. So the best way is to launch the application one more time. Okay, launch system 3, the exe manually, just run it manually.
Yeah. I'm also gonna have to get going soon for
Open.
robotic.
Yeah, type in the username. Oh, okay, you can type in the wrong stuff.
Right, the wrong thing.
Yeah, and click login.
Yeah.
Okay, now leave it as it is, and then leave it as it is, and go to UiPath. And now click on. I would like to see the properties. Hold on. Okay, click on edit target. I'll show you how to do this. Okay, now you see that window selector on the left, window selector. There is a blue hexagon. The bottom. Yeah, open that up.
Where did it go?
Yeah, it'll give it a few minutes. Yeah. So see, this is what it is trying to use to identify whether it logged in successfully or not.
Yeah.
And it is very, very minimal.
Yeah.
It just says, yeah, the screen should say login. And it is not qualifying it with anything more. It has a exe next to it. And then the control names are login. That's it.
Yeah.
It doesn't have the words username, password is incorrect. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So we have to fix that. So bring this, I want to see more on the right side, selected items, that CLS, it is hiding something. Just, improve the width of the panel. Oh, it's become small now.
What do you want me to do?
On the right side, that panel, increase the width.
The right side. Oh, this one.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Even this is still not enough. Okay, click on highlight. Let's see where it clicks on that. Highlight. Yeah. It is opening the entire window. Okay. So now let's go to UiPath again.
Which on the UI Explorer?
Can you give me control of the screen?
I don't know if I can give you control of the screen. How do I do that?
Let me check.
Oh, wow.
You see it?
There's just like a huge storm going on outside right now.
It's not even showing me an option to request screen control. So click on highlight again. That red border will go away. This highlight thing, click on it again, it will go away.
Highlight. The highlight thing? Click on
Yeah.
it again.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now, yeah, right. So that red borderline will go away, right? So
Yeah,
go
yeah.
back to the selectors.
The selectors.
Yeah.
So
No, not here on the other part of the UiPath where
if I X out of
um,
this thing,
yeah,
or
why
indicate
don't
L.
you click cancel or whatever? Yeah, get out of this. Yeah.
Okay, there.
No. Don't try doing it all over again. See, it is okay. So okay. Click on the hexagon for the strict selector, not window selector.
Okay.
Yeah.
Click
The
on this.
hexagon.
Or the
Leave it
next
as
one.
it is. Yeah, right.
There.
A name on the right side. You see, a name says wrong username password.
Yeah. Okay. So we should
Select the checkbox. Yep.
it. Oh, this is cool. Wait. So this is really useful.
Yeah, exactly. So basically, you have tell this UiPath exactly what you wanted to look for. That thing was missing. Wrong username was missing. So it found some other control and thought that it is present. So login failed. Now click save. Now click save and try the bot again. Or you
Save.
can click on validate. Okay. Now click highlight. See?
There. That is. Oh, we wanted.
Yeah. Now click on save.
How do I? Where's save?
On the bottom, buddy.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Okay.
Great.
Now confirm. Confirm. Now try this again. Oh, you said run, it will run the whole thing.
Yeah. I really have to go soon.
No, we are there. We are there. Let's just finish this before splitting. We are exactly at the point where we want to be. Even I have places to be, but I want to see through this thing. In fact, you could abort it and try just the system 3 login. So which grade are you going to, Aditya?
11.
Okay. Oh, you are already in the 11th grade?
Well, I'm going to be going to 11th
Oh,
end
okay,
of fall.
okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Just August. Okay. When is this? Next month or this month?
August. Well, yeah, I think in the very end of August, school
Okay.
starts.
Okay. And remember, August 27th is the last day for this course.
Oh, okay. So that's one day before school starts, I believe. I think
Oh, okay. All
school
right.
starts on the 28th, and I'm taking the SAT actually on the 26th.
What are you doing on the 26th?
The SAT.
SAT.
Yeah.
Wow.
What just happened?
Do you live in Maryland or Virginia?
Maryland.
Where in Maryland?
Clarksburg.
Clarksburg. I'm also in Clarksburg, right? Where in Clarksburg?
Clarksburg Square. Like, it's near Rocky Hill
Rocky Hill. Okay.
or Clarksburg High School.
You know the Clarksburg High School?
Yeah, I actually live near there,
Is
walking
that your
within
school?
walking. No, I go to Poolsville.
Oh, Poolsville High School. Okay. Okay.
I
So
go
you
to
live in
Poolsville, but
that part of Clarksburg. Okay.
yeah.
All right. So what is it? What is it saying? Invoke workflow JIT compilation is disabled. What is this? Where is this coming from? Yeah, click OK.
This is get work items over here. So where?
No, we were trying to debug the system3 login, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, now run just that one. Run file. No, run file. Yeah. If you say run, the whole bot will run all over again.
Okay.
So it should not say login failed.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's
Good.
stop that.
Yeah.
Great.
All right. So the get work items, that's where you're stuck, right? Get work item details.
Oh. Yeah.
Why is that?
I'm not sure if this go to URL really works.
Yeah, that may be wrong. We may have to say use application browser.
Okay.
You're
use
already there. So so the home is not the right place.
yeah. This is wrong.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so I'll have to figure out that. I think it's this. There. Yeah, it's gonna be that.
but it may not see it is you're hard coding the page number to 11.
Yeah, but
So what you
is
have
there
to
a way
do
to?
is remove that and put stars after work items. Remove the whole thing, remove page 11 and everything.
Should
Yeah,
I remove the
put an
question mark?
asterisk mark.
Including the question mark?
After the question mark, put an asterisk.
Okay.
Yeah. So now it will try to look for some URL that ends with work items and then something after that question mark. If it finds it, it'll latch onto it.
This is
Okay, now it will latch onto it. And then what you have to do is navigate to browser is not there. Go to URL is incorrect. What's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that.
navigate browser, click. Oh.
Is it navigate browser maybe? Try navigate browser.
Try that.
Oh, that's
This one.
that's predefined buttons.
Yeah.
I think this should be fine. We just
Yeah.
have to put this within the scope of application/browser. And so after you go there, what do you do next? So think about all that.
Yeah.
And then we'll continue next week.
All right.
All
Thank
right,
you.
Aditya.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
See you next
Talk to you
week.
next week. Yeah. Bye now.